Project briefs. Telec networking. Nets was subcontracted to install FATs, FDNs and joints around Colchester for both overhead and underground works to bring these villages gigabit broadband access. Nets made client life easier by handling end-to-end project management, flexibility to work long hours and during weekends to meet tight deadlines, as well as meeting quality standards for work and documentation. Fiberoptic. The scope included cable laying, splicing, termination, joint making for home and MDU connectivity nationwide. Nets made client life easier by taking up and closing leftover works, material management, as well as effective project management. Hey Broadband. We're connecting homes and MDUs for gigabit broadband in both rural and urban areas, primarily in the south of England. Every home customer has unique home-specific requirements. There's been great feedback on the way Nets staff has handled such requests to customers' delight. O'Phil Cable, Colchester. We laid 23 kilometers of 24-core fiber optic cable in an urban and semi-rural environment. Nets value creation has been the solutions given to multiple issues on site and then successfully executing them.